We're in Fresno, California. We just finished installing a colder valve provided by the homeowner. And it is not on the box, but it's on the paper. Anyways, all copper construction. This is all your piping down here. We give you a couple of couplings. We give you some new pipe, up to some new 90s, and then pieces stubbed out, soldered into the valve. We've got a brass connector right here, a cap for the bottom because there's no tub spout. And then of course, the shower riser's yours. We just added a little piece and a coupling. This belongs to you. This has been in the wall, it's fine. And then of course, that fitting is yours as well. We did replace the screws. We didn't like those, so that's good. The mounting system here, you can't see it because you got the black cover plate on, but down right there you can see there's a screw right there. And then there's another one at the bottom, which is right there. And those are 2-inch screws, so about 1 inch into the wood, so that's good. This block, we cut it to length and then kind of jimmy it a little bit. 3-inch screws fastening, so this is nice and secure. The rough end for this is going to be 1 7/8. You can see here, 1 7/8. That's what he to the drywall. Tile guy says he's going to put in 1-inch material on top of that, which means will be, once his wall is complete, his tile, his curdy board, whatever he's doing, it's going to be out at 2 7/8. Okay, we have to document this because we're roughing it in according to the diagram. So you can see sheetrock 1 7/8 to the board. So 2 7/8. Dimensions they show is, and if you look at that, the dimensions they show are right here. Oh God. 2 3/4 inch minimum, 3.5 maximum. Okay, and so it says mount the support 2 3/4 inch to 3.5 inch from the front of the finished wall. So that's the support. So that's good. So it should work out. Anyways, we need to document that just to make sure that everybody's on the same page. Any questions or something needs to be moved or adjusted, please let us know before the tile goes on. Outside of that, this installation is done.